Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 28th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. So Palantir up 39 cents, 3.69%, closed at 10.95. Post-market, we are down by 10 cents. Wow, we are up by 3%. This is fantastic. No, this is not fantastic at all. If we look at the overall candle, we see that the high, let me make sure that this is on. So the high of yesterday's candle is higher than today's candle. So it means that yesterday people bought Palantir at a higher price than they did today. So the price is still declining. In terms of the low is also lower than it was yesterday. So the price is also declining at the lows. So the stock is still going down. Even though this is green, the stock is still going down. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So this was the first candle of the day. So we came back down during the first hour, then came back up, 4 green candles up. And then we touched this $11 resistance, and it seems like we are caving down to it. So basically what happened today was pretty much just the pullback from the overall direction of the stock, which is down. Let's look at the VIX a little bit quickly. So the VIX is coming down a little bit. Yeah, the VIX is coming down a little bit. So this helped the stock market go up a bit today. Let's look at Dow Jones and all of these. So Dow Jones is still within this downward channel. S&P 500 is bouncing on 4161. So we are bouncing here. Until what point are we going to bounce? This remains to be seen. NASDAQ Composite Index is also bouncing on 12,567. Big bounce for NASDAQ 100, 12,978. This is really bouncing, and I think I'm going to start adjusting this a little bit. So I think this may represent a better picture of what is going on right here. So the last days were 2 down days, and now we are bouncing a little bit, but the trend is not changing. We are in a downtrend, and we need to break this resistance in order for not to be in this downtrend anymore. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.